Number 8, it says 3 potential employees took an aptitude test. Each person took a different version of the test. The scores are reported. Norma 84.2. The mean of that version was 67.4. Standard deviation of 14. We got Pierce, his score, mean, and standard deviation, and then Raina, score, mean, and standard deviation. If the company has only one position to fill and offers and prefers to fill it with the applicant who performed the best on the aptitude test, which applicant should the job be offered? Okay, so in order to compare, because they're all different, we want to use the Z-score. Okay, so just reminder, it's going to be very important, so make sure you remember this. Z is equal to X minus the mean divided by standard deviation. We're going to do that for all 3. Okay, so we have a score of 84.2 minus the mean of 67.4 divided by 14. We're going to compute this one. First person. The next person is 276.8 minus 264 divided by 16. And then the last person is 7.62 minus 7.3 divided by 0.08. So we're going to compare all of these and find out who did the best. So 84 in parentheses, sorry. 84.2 minus 67.4 divided by 14. You get 1.2, standard deviations above. And then the next one, 276.8 minus 264, close parentheses, divided by 16. You get 0.8. So far, applicant 1 is the best. And then on the last one, we're going to do 7.62 minus 7.3, close, and divide by 0.08. And we get 4. Okay, so the one that scores the biggest is actually the smaller value. And you wouldn't probably pick that just looking at these, but when you compare the Z-score, it's clear. So it would be Raina. The job should be offered to. Uh-oh. Not sure what I messed up. Let me try that calculation again. 7.62. Oh, it's not 0.08, it was 0.8. Okay, so let me do these again. We just got new values. I just typed in the wrong thing. I wrote down the wrong thing. So let's do that again. So I'm just going to do 83.5 minus 68.2. I didn't do parentheses, so I'm just going to enter and get that value first and then divide by 9. Okay, so for the first person we get 1.7. And I'm going to do the same thing here. 251.2 minus 238. So just hit enter, go ahead and find that. Divided by 22. We get 0.6. And then the last one, 8.04 minus 7.2. Get that value. Divide by 0.7. Okay, 1.2. Okay, so calculation is correct. The first person should get the job, which is Vincent.